So yesterday I said that we're going to lock up the geese, lock up the chickens, and we're not cutting their wings off. Well, in the other video I said cut their wings off, or it's just their flight feathers. It's not their wings. It's like getting a haircut. It doesn't hurt them at all. But we're going to lock them up and cut off all their flight feathers. But we didn't get to do that today because I had other things that came up, and so it's going to be a couple of days. We're going to have to postpone that for a couple of days, and then we'll do that. And so that got postponed. So we got you all taken care of. All taken care of. All good. Water's flowing. You too. Ah, they're so loud. All the time they're so loud. All right, we've got to run back down to the farm. You guys want to go with us? You want to film me? I'm filming right now. Hey, no, come here. Angry dog, come here. Come here. Angry dog, come here. Come here. Come here. Come on, come on, come on. Here. Come on, come on, good boy, come on. Here. 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 Angry dog's right up front with us, I guess. Alright. Ready? Ready. Okay. Ready to go? Ready to go? This is my good girl. Yes, my baby. You're not. Okay. So this is lazy guy. This is how I train my dog. When I go whoop, my dog back here will jump out. Watch this. Whoop! There she goes. See her? I got this dog trained out. Come on. Watch this one. Okay. That's a lazy way to get your dogs out. Just they are trained as when as soon as I go whoop, they jump out of the truck and run. So I don't have to get out. And they do the same to get back into the truck. I just say the same thing, and when I pull up to them and they jump into the truck. I have a rabbit out. They go so fast now, Wyatt.
Camera shy.
Let's turn the shocker off so that way we don't accidentally get shocked. Okay. They got food?
Yep.
Do they really?
Yeah.
Oh, they eat so much less than other rabbits. Oh, you got close to me. Let's see the camera. Are you filming?
Yeah, just barely turned it on.
Oh, that's fine. Hey. There's two. Let's check to make sure. I think this is my buck. He seems a little bigger. The buck's a little bit more grayer. And we have one in there. I can see. I think she's kidding. Kindling? Kidding? Kinding or kiddling? She might have babies, why? She's got a nest in there. That's awesome, huh?
Yeah.
So, all three rabbits are out. Got a broken line again. I keep getting broken lines. These stringers right here. Whoop. These stringers right here keep breaking. But I went and bought a 50-pound test line. I think this is 6-pound test line. Back when I used to fish a lot, I liked to fish with 6-pound test line. It was more challenging. I don't know why. I don't know why I put myself through such torture, but it seems like if you can get a 1-pound fish up on the bank with a 6-pound test line, then you're doing pretty good. So I got a 50-pound test line. We're gonna fix that. So today's vlog, I think we're going to talk about future plans for the habitat. We're going to get a water system here. It's pressure. It'll be kind of a pressurized sprinkler system. So the future plans for the habitat is right here, just on the other side of this fence. I'm going to have a valve come out of the ground that I can turn the water on and off, and have a line come out. I'll try to get this best I can, but you can see my habitat right there. I plan on using all this corner. This is quite a bit of ground, and I was just going to expand from this corner here. I was just going to take it out to that stump, and then from that stump over there to that corner, and then from that corner of this habitat all the way to the road right there. But what I'm thinking is, I'm hoping that these guys will dig a hole. That's something interesting too, is that they haven't dug holes at all, not even a little bit. I'm hoping they'll dig down into the earth and make their whole cool little system underground. And why I'm hoping for that is, then they'll call that home and they won't run off. So I could literally, I'm hoping, this is all an experiment, but I'm hoping you can almost just take this fence down and they'll just call this home. And because that's where their underground hut's at. And so what I plan on doing is around their home is I want to plant this all grass. I'll just get like an alfalfa grass pasture mix and plant all the way around here. I don't know, just some ideas. If you guys have any ideas what to do to expand our habitat, like I say, we have all around the habitat we can make. I mean, right up here to this corner where all this wooded stuff is, this trash, I don't know, we could leave that and rabbits can jump on it and under it and through it. This is, angry dog's right there on the road. I don't own the road. I own just a little bit on the other side of this fence. So I was thinking all through here, we plant grass, all right here, all the way around the habitat. And all this junk right here, this wire, is going to the dump. Well, not the dump. and by dump I mean I'm going to put it in the North 40 and hide it where I can't see it, because I don't know if I need it or not. Like this wire here, I could put around a tree if I plant a tree. And so I try not to throw away anything unless I absolutely have to. A lot of this wire I can save, but we're going to clean up this whole area right here and just plant grass all the way around the habitat. There's geese. I love it. I love it down here. Wind's picking up, bud. We're getting a storm coming in. Look, it's snowing over there. So that's kind of the plan with the habitat, is maybe we'll just leave it this size, hope that they dig holes down in it, and plant grass all the way around. Now this is where I need some of y'all help. Is should I divide it up in like what's the word, like paddocks, and let them like graze like line grazing, but with rabbits who do rabbit line grazing? I'm looking at Wyatt. He's standing right there. So I'm looking at you and Wyatt. I'm talking to both of you. So I'm thinking like line grazing, but with the rabbits, and maybe we could put like little trap doors and all the way around here, and they can have strips of grass. This is so exciting for me, to actually have water coming down here to the farm. We've been it's been a battle for a few years now, and but we're gonna have water down here, and things will just start greening up. It's gonna look good. We can plant shrubs around here. So, but yeah, I'm ADD. I'm getting off topic here. So I'm thinking that, what do you guys think? Little trapdoors around, little paddocks, little strip grazing, maybe that poultry netting. That's like electric poultry netting. I don't know if they'll respect that or not. I don't know. Leave your thoughts down. Let me know what you guys think about that. we gotta go get some more firewood. Firewood. Always firewood. Always getting firewood. It's that storm's blowing in. You guys can hear that wind. Look at that. That's probably a few minutes out. We better hurry. Why? We got them fed.
Yep.
Okay, guys, the storm's coming in, and that's going to end this vlog. Thanks for watching.